What's up, V Pizza family? Today we're going to make a buffalo chicken pizza. We are going to start off with a Dinner Double Zero dough ball, 11 ounces measured out in the back when you guys ball them up, stretching it out to about 13 inches. We're going to start off as usual with our cheese, 6 ounces for a dinner, 4 ounces for a lunch. We're going on the outside, working our way in, making sure we get it nice and evenly spread out. Next, we're going to do chicken. We're going with our V marinated chicken, and for a lunch it would be 4 ounces, but this is a dinner, so we got 6 ounces of V shredded marinated chicken going on this pizza. Evenly spread out, once again, like everything else, outside towards the end, ensuring the best possible coverage that you can. Next, we're going to do is we're going to add 2 ounces of buffalo sauce on this pizza. Next up, 3 ounces of gorgonzola. Once again, stretching from the outside towards the middle. After that, we're going to break apart our fresh slice of mozzarella and put it on the pizza. Break it up to 4 or 5 pieces. Pinch of garlic. And then we're going to finish it like all of our other pizzas with a sprinkle of Romano, oregano, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And into the oven we go. At Expo, this pizza is going to be finished with about 1 ounce of Schiff basil, cut and served to our guests. And that is the buffalo chicken pizza.